Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Weekend Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on the Imprint application. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you open up the Imprint application, you might be asked to log into your account. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and use your email address and your password, and once you are logged into your account, you can tap on the account icon at the top right corner and you will see various different options, but there is no option to change your email address. So in order to proceed with changing it, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and type in Imprint and start your search. Once you find the Imprint application, tap on it and then tap on the App Support drop-down menu. Now you will find the email that you can use in order to contact the support team. Just tap on this email and then tap on your email application, and now you will be taken into the message box. Within the subject section, type in change email address, and then within the main body you can simply explain that you don't find the option to change your email address which you wish to do. You can then tap on the send button at the top right corner, and once your email has been sent, you will receive a response within a few days, within which you will find the instructions that you can follow in order to change your email address. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to change your email address within the Imprint application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.